This review is of Taylor Farms Teriyaki Veggies and Noodles and Sauce Meal Kit. And, well, it looks pretty interesting. And I'm hoping it's going to be really nice. I've already got the wok heated up and I've got oil into it. And I'm going to have to put the veggies in here for a second. It's pre-washed. Nutrition facts. So hopefully I can get that for you there. Yeah. Nutrition facts and ingredients. And these are the instructions for cooking it. Alright, let's hold on while I cook. Okay, so I followed the instructions. And what I'm noticing here is the carrots are kind of thickly cut. And I really have to stay on top of this in order to make sure that the vegetables get cooked without things getting burned. Which is, that's stir fry for you. But if you want something that's easier to handle, you might want to choose not stir fry, because this requires a lot of attention. That's why I myself typically will make food that has lots of liquid in it. So it's hard to burn stuff. But I'm really hoping for the best as far as the flavor is concerned, and hoping it'll be done soon. Alright, hold on. Okay, this is the end result. It says 7 minutes on the package. Let's test and see if, because it took me much longer than 7 minutes. I think it probably took me about 14 minutes to do this. Okay, so the broccoli is sufficiently cooked. It's still a bit, it's not fully cooked, but it's cooked enough. Pea pods are fine. They're still kind of raw, but just like the broccoli, but they're fine. And same with the carrots. And I'm not sure if I guess that's more broccoli. The stem. All not fully cooked. It's okay for me, my kids are a bit fussier though. And it does make the broccoli rather pungent because it's not fully cooked. Noodles are okay. As far as flavor is concerned, I'm not eating teriyaki. Now, of course, when I eat teriyaki, I always compare it to the teriyaki my wife used to make, which is pretty nice. Granted, hers had a lot of meat, and this is vegetarian. That's setting that aside. I don't really taste teriyaki here. Tastes nice, but I can't call it teriyaki. Thank you very much for watching, and have a great day.